This video will show you how to set up your gradebook using the point system. The first step you're going to want to take is to go into the course that you desire to set your gradebook up in. Once in the course, you're going to go over to Course Dashboard and then into your gradebook. If you watched last month's video on setting up gradebook with percentages, these steps should look pretty similar so far. Again, at the top, you're going to click the Setup tab. Then you're going to come over here to where your course name is listed and click this drop down under Edit. Then you'll go to Edit Settings. And in here for the point system, what you're going to want to make sure is that the aggregation is set to mean of grades. And then one tool that you can click here is under the Show More. You can exclude the empty grades. And essentially what this is going to do is if any of your students haven't turned in assignments, sometimes this function can make it look like the students' grades are inflated. So by checking exclude empty grades, you're going to get a more accurate representation of what the student's current grade is in your class. Here you can also set the maximum grade for the class, so the maximum points allowed. So if you want to take your class out of 300 points or 800 points, this is where you would set that scale for the entire class. So I'll just leave it at 100 for this example. We'll come down here to Save Changes. So now what you should see at the bottom, your course total here, is the total amount of points that you just entered. So I left it at 100, so my class would be out of 100 points. Now what we're going to do is go back and set up an assignment. We'll just create another practice assignment here. And again, what you're going to want to do is come to the right-hand side under Grade. Make sure that this is set to point. And then down here, the maximum grade is going to be how many points you want this to be out of. So for my class, if my practice assignment is worth 20 of those 100 total points, this is where I would put that total point value in. And then come down here and save it so we can see it. Now we'll go back into our gradebook. And we can see that that practice assignment came in here for 20 points. So these three that I had in here were from the last time when we worked with setting it up with percentages, so just ignore those for now. But like I said, if you want to set it up with point system, that last step that I just showed you for adding an assignment, that's going to be the way to do it.